come so?
Yes, okay.
Wake up, Joe.
Mommy, is that cockroach?
Cockroach, where? Where is the cockroach? Where? Which side? Which side is the cockroach?
Okay. That. Sorry.
Take your juice.
The juice is sweet, huh?
Anastasia, where is my Hollandia yogurt? Tasting like soured water. Water with a disgusting taste. An embarrassed water that has family issues. Why is it tasting like that? Madam, I don't know. I swear to God. I don't know. Okay. Madam, I forgot to tell you. You know that you are staining my skin. Go back to work. Sorry, ma. Sorry. Take your drink. Everybody will be pissing me off in this house. My throat will sue you for man humanity to man. Because what is this? Hollandia yogurt. I told you I wanted it. Tastes like Greek yogurt. Look at it. Ma, it is yogurt. But the thing is that spiritually, if you look at it, you'll be seeing yogurt. But physically, your camera eye. We are doing spiritual things here. No, madam, are we doing spiritual things here? I told you if I ask you a question, I want only 2 sentences. Don't overtalk.
Mommy, don't worry. Leave and drink. Drink up.
Idiots.
Sorry,
fools.
Sorry.
Am I in the hospital? No. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. You know soon you will be in the hospital.
It's okay.
So, I'm sorry. No, ma'am. Anastasia, the devil, get thee behind me. I want to see you moving behind me now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Sorry, ma'am.
That is not behind me. Get thee behind me. Are you seeing my hand?
Okay.
Go where my hand is pointing. Yes.
Okay.
Come up there.
Okay, ma'am.
Drink.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, my throat is embarrassed. This juice has a generational cause. See, madam, drink it. Come on, are you mad? Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Mommy, should I shoot?
Shoot what? He's really slow. Meanwhile, this is your drip water. How will
Ma, keep on drinking this thing. You know, say if you don't drink.
No, I will drink. Is it not yogurt? It's just that this girl is she fails at anything and everything.
Drink.
This is drip. And you mix it with water and take. Are you not seeing how clear it is? Very transparent. That is how a pure.
It's okay.
How are you feeling, Chikas?
I'm good.
Did you just rub my back?
No.
Enough of your nonsense. Very soon you will join your late mother.
Madam, you will be the one that will join. You will. Madam, you know, say there is one dance.
Anastasia!
Sorry, ma'am.
I thought you cleaned this table. Come on, pick up this watch!
Sorry, ma'am.
Clumsy idiot.
Don't worry. I'm going to get it. I want to wait.
And what is the mob doing on my center rug?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Very stupid. Incompetent.
Sorry.
What is going on with my system?
I don't know.
My system is shutting down and it's collapsing. What is going?
Mommy.
Are you okay?
Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me?
What do you mean by why do I hate you? Wait is the question?
Why do you hate me, Mom? After all the things I've done for you.
What have you done for me?
What I've done for you.
Did you buy me car? Did you buy me land?
But I'm the one that made so that they'll be giving you a project. Now if you finish it, why do you spike my drink?
Spike your drink.
See, madam, guys, let me just let the cat loose.
Yes, I can't get no getting myself.
Madam, you will join her mother in the grave. Mama, come. I saw her. You see that thing that you added? Leave me.
Leave her alone.
See, that thing that you added. Get my jacket. See, you drank that thing that was meant for her. Yes.
Who switched it? I know it's your hand.
She switched it. I wasn't even the one. I was even about to do it, but she was smart enough.
If I was the one that was in this your condition, would you help me?
Thank you. People are traumatizing me.
Traumatizing. Get my jacket. Get my jacket. My jacket. Come, Chiransu. Listen, leave this place. We are leaving this house so before
Give me back.
Leave your bag. Wait, oh. She's dead, though. Blood of Jesus. Rest in peace.